Hey guys, use supporter creator code Fusion here in your Fortnite item shop. I'd really appreciate it. If you leave a comment saying you've done it, I'll heart your comment. Hey, what's up guys? It's Fusion and welcome to Fusion Here's thumbnail pack number 3. Now guys, before we jump in, I literally make these packs for free. You don't have to pay anything to download these packs. So the most you can do to help me out guys is to drop a like and subscribe, and also check out my website because I do offer logos, banners, and more for very cheap prices. So guys, hopping into the pack, like I said before, this is the third pack I've made. I am very proud of this pack. Now guys, this pack is not targeted towards any certain game. It's not targeted towards any certain thing. It is supposed to just be very modern, easy, and fun to use. So with all that being said, let's jump into the tour. So right here, Fusion Here's thumbnail pack. As you can see, purchase custom graphics, FUZIONHERE.com. You should do it. We can see that we have 3 different color corrections. I've been using these for a while. They're right here for you guys to use. Jumping into borders, we don't really have anything new this time around. But something I did want to say guys is that I will be doing a few updates to this pack. So just come back in like a month and I'm pretty sure that there'll be a new version of this pack with a lot more things. Now hopping into the text tab. These are 4 different fonts that I regularly use and I very much recommend using them. Burbank Big is pretty much the Fortnite font. Luckiest Guy is similar to the Fortnite font. Beebus is a very simple modern font, and then He's Dead Jim is just a very cool like italic font. You guys will see me use them all the time in thumbnails and stuff like that. And then next on we have text effects. Now we have 3 right here: basic, white, 3D text, and holographic. Pretty much what this means is you can come on here and open up the blending options and you can see what I used for the effect. You can copy down the layer style and you could apply it to, let's say you wanted to apply it to this text layer. You just apply it and the effect goes right on it like that. So cool, 3 layers right there to get some ideas of how to spice up your text. Next we have the logos tab. So in the logos folder, we have 3 different folders. We have game logos, social media logos, and brand logos. Starting off in game logos, you can see that there's quite a lot here. We have, Clash Royale, Rainbow Six, Apex Legends. We have a lot of Call of Duty games. We have all the Modern Warfares, all the Black Ops, and then we have Minecraft, Fortnite. Hopping down into social media, we have like the very basic 5 different social medias. We have Spotify, SoundCloud, if you want to count those social media, and we have Mixer. And last, brand logos. There's only 4 in here, but Amazon, eBay, Xbox, and PlayStation. I probably will add a ton more of these too. There's like shoe brands, there's store brands, all sorts of things, but I don't know how many of those are relevant to thumbnails, but we'll see. Next, we have emojis. So I actually am probably going to add a few emojis. We just have some basic emojis here. I'm probably going to add about 5 more. Next, we have arrows and circles. So for arrows and circles, you can see we have 10 arrows, we have 5 circles, and we have 3 boxes. So the arrows are all pretty similar. There's definitely some very good arrows in here, as you can see. Some older ones that I've used in previous packs. The circles, these are very useful as well, of course. And then the boxes, I've been recently using boxes in my thumbnails. This is one that I've been using a lot lately. I recommend using this one. It stands out very well. Now, jumping into extra. Extra is for little things like a mouse pointer or something like that. So we have the little live button if you want to use it for a live stream. We have mouse stuff, a mouse and a keyboard, Xbox controller, headphones. Next, we have dividers. Now, for the dividers, we have right, middle, left, and thin tilted boxes. These are very useful to make a thumbnail where there's one image over here and another over here. You see me use the middle and the right one in pretty much like every thumbnail now. So yeah, I definitely recommend using dividers. In effects, we have some very useful things in here. A rainbow overlay, a blue overlay that's not going to do anything on a blue background. We have some lighting effects here, fog, and the blotchy effect. And the light spots is really cool too. You can see it throws these little spots, which just give a good accent. And you can move these around with Control T if you want, because they're just kind of in random places. You can put them right here, and then have the other ones from over here, right here, something like that. But you have to watch out for the little like cut off spot like that, and it looks good. Lastly, we have backgrounds. So for the backgrounds, you can see here we have like about 10 very basic colors here, as well as these 6 different backgrounds. Just starting down here, these are all very Fortnite-y backgrounds. This one is actually pretty much the Fortnite background. Other ones, we have a pink, gray, flesh colored, candy red, red, army green, light green. We have white, blue, light blue, and turquoise. Now, I am a little bit colorblind, so a few of those might be described a little bit inaccurately, but help me out with that, guys. So, now that I have completely toured the pack, I thought that I would actually make a thumbnail for you guys. So, let me think of what to make. So the thing that I'm going to make is going to be very, very simple, but it will still give us a chance to use a few of the things in the pack. Okay, so the thumbnail I'm going to make is pretty much just going to be how to get something for free. Even though I don't know how to do this, we're going to go on to like Amazon. And let's see, what do we want to make a thumbnail that we're getting for free? I guess a PlayStation 4. Okay, so we have our screenshots here inside of Photoshop. I had to cut a few things out because it like showed my zip code or something, but now you guys can see the basic stuff that's going on here. We have, it used to be 362, now it's $0. But the issue is this thumbnail does not really stick out at all. We need to add color. There needs to be way more stuff. So I'd say first of all, we need to add our basic little before after thing. So right here, we're gonna make a new layer. We're gonna fill it with any color. And now just come in here. And I always make the red one first. So we're gonna go to red, make full opacity. Now for the second one. There we go. And we have our little red and green stuff going on here. We need our before text. Although this text is not fitting, so what's better? Oh yeah, that's I like this font. All right, we're done right here. You can see before, after. All right, now I need some sort of circle or square or something. I think we're gonna use this box. This one is gonna fit. So we're gonna put it right here, selecting this price. Then we're going to duplicate it and have it over here again, but we're going to copy the green after and paste it there. Now I'd say the last thing we can do for this thumbnail is we can either add a border or we could add some more text. So I think I'm just going to add text, and I'm going to put like PS4 for free, like this. Alright, I think we're pretty much good right here. This isn't the best thumbnail in the world, but for a few minutes you guys can see what you can accomplish here. But anyways, guys, I want to thank you very much. If you want to download this pack, link is in the description to my website. You just go to the shop page and there'll be a download button and you download it. So yeah, thank you guys very much. Drop a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. And guys, before you go, remember, God loves you. Go look up John 3:16 right now. Hey guys, I unlocked channel memberships. If you're interested, go to youtube.com/FUZIONHERE/join. Hey guys, use supporter creator code FUZIONHERE in your Fortnite item shop. I'd really appreciate it. If you leave a comment saying you've done it, I'll heart your comment. If you are hearing this audio, it means that this video is not 10 minutes yet, so enjoy the next period of time looking at this meme. Thank you.